And all-inclusive anti-lice kit. The Lice Emergency Kit is a complete anti-lice solution, featuring a fast-acting mousse, daily defense shampoo and steel lice comb, that effectively treat and prevent super lice and eggs. Clinically proven mousse for quicker results. The gentle foaming hair mousse eliminates eggs and pesticide-resistant super lice in just one treatment for a healthy scalp. It is easy to rinse, smells great and gives the desired solution in no time. Lice-removing daily use hair shampoo, with eucalyptus globulus and natrum muriaticum. This daily defense lice shampoo is perfect for killing super lice even before detection. 10 to 14 days of use is enough to get healthy, lice-free hair. Included comb, comes with a reusable steel fine comb that evenly spreads the mousse all over the head. Insert the metal comb against the scalp and pull through to the end to remove the dead eggs and lice. Wipe it on a disposable paper after each stroke. For the whole family, this lice shampoo kit can be used by everyone, including children over the age of 2 years old. Perfect for school, summer camp or sleepovers, this anti-lice kit protects the whole family from lice reinfestation. Click on the link in the video description to get all-inclusive lice treatment kit W/mousse shampoo steel comb family use. Click here to get it now with free shipping.